say Lando run the house like a ends, like a this man in bridging them bonal weed. You know them way there? I saw him run the place. You're a young girl. You can't say you're trying a life and accomplish so much. Look when we see your place and Africa. And look how your place look good for a young girl. And for come lay down in a mess. This no match. This don't match. This coming like Jakes were claim to say map how much teen subjects. 40 subjects and lay down in a dirty place. What's wrong with you people? And then everything on a videotape. That make it nice. That make it nice. I want to be authentic and natural. Not with my garbage. Not with my rubbish. Yeah. I put on my pants. Not the wall. Yeah. On too much man. I'm on a young girl need to know better. On a young girl need to know better and everybody worth on an ambition. Let me tell you that. Body no worth on an ambition. Body don't worth it. Una for be better. Me think you did have sense for your African sister. How you know make Esther mad now? No, it's true. Nobody no wants to love you so. Una young, una infatuated. Number one, Lando not even know him head from him foot. Him can wash him old? Can he wash his old good? Eh? Me said that's why him always in the old clothes them. Him always adjust according to him living condition, and it's true. Lando isn't too young. Shamaga suck your mother and come out for this. Yeah. Yeah, send me request with the Batman self. Lando is not immature. You see, these are the stuff we talk about people who are going into adulthood and who are in adulthood. You understand me? Lando isn't immature. Lando wants us to believe that he's a child. He's not immature. Let me say this to you guys. He wants to be him, and that's why I don't want to pick the trick until them breed. Because them always want to believe that they are kids same way. They always, it's a psychological effect, you know. It's a psychological effect. If Lando is immature at this stage, let me say this to you, thank you, Keely. Let me say this to you. A lot of us baby fathers are immature. I'm not asking you, because when you're man to be a man around you, you have to be a man in your feminine state. So do not say to me that this individual is immature. Because Lando wants to be on his own. That tells somebody who have a grown mentality or a grown foresight. You understand me? He might have a youthful look, but he wants to be on his own. Lando took his immature self and make his way to Africa. You understand? So when do we cut from the level of being immature? What age? I know age don't come with maturity for someone, you know, but at what age? Because since you're out the road with your immature self and avoiding many problems with your immature self, I want to know if you're really immature to the point where you don't even know how to set up your surrounding. You have never been into any of your friends' house or anybody's house. How is the house behind you, the one where you're eating the box food? How is it looking? Huh? So when everyone wants to sit and justify Rosalie is immature, the new way to live nasty is to be immature. And that is just the truth. Me think living nasty when you're depressed. Me see younger than Lando spread bed, that do something with me, you know, do. Me see younger than Lando sweep up yard. You know, go like Lando band with gold spoon in her mouth. So when Emmy Earlier said she not born with gold spoon in her mouth. She knows she come from a humble beginning. That's not humbling you where you are little, you know. That's not humbleness, that's slackness. Them know you come. That is not humbleness. So Emily, Emmy, let me ask you something now. If you're coming from a humble beginning, why you want to start over? It wasn't pleasant. Why you want to start over? These are the questions I want to ask you, Lando. You are coming from a humble beginning. You know what it is for where your sister draws, so to speak, or your brother tap. You don't know what it's like to bathe with one bath soap. You understand me? You don't know what it's like for washing a one pan. You don't know them subject. You don't know what it's like to eat out of one pot. You get what I say? So I'm asking you a question. It wasn't pleasant. So why you want to go back there? Sorry, why you want to make someone drag you there? You see, it's embarrassing, and it's okay to feel embarrassed. It's okay. It's okay. Lando spend most time life on the road doing foolery. And when you talk to them about what they're doing, them tell you, say, oh, I'm a career. It's not a career. Your career is to take the kitchen window from off of the sink. That's your career. It's true. You depend on the road for hours. You depend live and do foolery. Emmy should have known not to come. Are you alone and go to Africa? Everything you wear the old clothes. And let me tell you something, Emmy. You have some careless girl, you know. Me not understand how you make a careless boy like this and bring in them content. When you have your head by your body. What kind of distraction is this? What kind of distraction is this? Lando is doing Lando. He's not doing you. And this is the first red flag if you see as a young girl. He's doing him. Him do him. And they don't care. That's the first red flag. Somebody said the first scale is African eyes. Stop it. Yeah. Lando just had to pure foolishness and go and kill him dead at content in my bill and he might get highlight. You go look for your woman and pay all clothes they wear in Africa. You care the all clothes them go in. You know how long you do that? Good God Almighty. Me don't know how I want to find something. I want to find so much energy for putting at them something here. You don't want to lay down and think. You don't want to go inside, go just think about in the future. Me just ask you something and Emmy no care what you want to say. It is embarrassing for your pokey. It's embarrassing on your pokey. I care zero what you want to say. Number one, I'm glad me not do girl, you know. I'm glad me not do girl. You could have never come down and me not carry go down a Princess Street or for one of the bucket. Me have to carry down a Princess Street if me have the inner shop money, the AC money. Straight to Princess Street. Meet funny with a book cover. Yeah. Meet all on the lace and get it melt. Yeah. You think a joke? And everything on the post. My first hairstyle in Jamaica. It doesn't look good. Go back again. It's just the truth. No make the man embarrass you. Your first experience is supposed to feel welcome like speed. No, it's true. It's embarrassing. He has no way. What man is this? Oh, am I going to buy the cow, Emmy? Or am I going to buy the cow for Mario? Let me say something to you. Lando amateur in enough of way baby father. You know the perfect man will have his plan and ride on your back till him reach where him go. Then him tell you say it was a good journey. Him can't take your nagging no more. Bye. You know Lando has the attitude for what a female have. And lurks on it. No for one no want talk, you know. But it's so true. Because we see evidence in them brother here that we seen enough man who will breed and take. You never know. Him rather this grace be shown on him for Emmy to feel money hard for send from Africa to Jamaica. Money hard. I don't know how she go do it, but maybe we don't have a way. Oh, you mean so? Oh, when the white girl them come look for them man in the ghetto, we all know them fly down for food upon the internet. The boy them see them. We all know the relationship. That's why the boy them go over to go eat for a burger and lobster. You never know. Yeah, the boy them go over to go eat surf and turf. So what you really say? You said that for say what? Because me don't know how it match with this, you know. So you go see when the white girl them come down now. We all know them come down for enough of them come down for dancing and end up with body. We know that. It's not like say a secret. But yeah, see, you said that for say what? Because me can't make the connection in my baby. Me can't make the connection. The question is Lando rich? Richness is a state of mind, my baby. I am pretty sure you're not rich, but your surrounding is not looking like that. The only way you could ask a question like that, if you can make reference to that surrounding because you know about it, you're living in it. So these are other questions where one really not make sense with. Richness is a state of mind. No one is telling or saying that Lando is rich. It not take a rich man to live good. It doesn't take a rich man to live good. Now challenge that and get back to me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry. So when I try to justify things, it's not a tearing down. When I always make it seem like it's a tearing down. It's not a tearing down. We have no reason for tearing down, Lando, more than just point out the obvious. It's not about having ill feeling towards the individual. It's about you highlighting that your woman is coming, and upon her arrival, we not see nothing different. All we see is content trying to make. No, is this a relationship or a foolership? We don't know what kind of ship. Eh? What kind of ship this? Remember saying that if you don't post it, we don't talk about it. If you don't want to talk about it, don't highlight it. You understand me? Because your woman could have come and lay down in the rubbish pan and everything go good. But the woman who want to defend Lando and not understanding that this individual, he could have done better. And no for no woman love come up and cry and say, man hate we. These are the things we make man hate you because you can't fly from many moons come lay down in a garbage pan. What kind of respect the youth are gonna have for you? You think him gonna say, the girl that build with me and start from scratch? We hear that regular. A whole heap of baby mother get that. Yes. It's whole heap of baby mother get that. Me rate that girl that she there with me. She there with you and for you until you find better. Yeah, we hear it, we live it, we see it. One thing with Able Boss, him always rent the good Airbnb them. Cause able say him want good life. So if you spar with all of these TikTokers, you don't learn nothing from them, Lando. You're just mean. You're just mean. You're just mean. Oh, you plan for buy your house, you're ready for buy your house. Then oh, you gonna buy furniture put in your house, my love. No, it's not the time. We granny don't struggle with man for we. Where granny don't struggle with man for we. And it's not like Emmy White. We can't say, oh, they are so, you know, naive to certain things. Okay, you understand me? No, she come from the grassroots. This is unethical. This is unethical. No, some of we know the man them we are date. Enough of we know the man them we are date. Lando want to use all him relationship for build content. He's not the guy for Emmy. He's not the guy for Emmy. And it's not immaturity. It's a struggle for popularity and wanting to be famous. It's not immaturity. When you're struggling to be famous, look what it did to Tavi. So when I say it's immature, no. It's just fame and popularity, my look. It's just the truth. So I'm gonna stop walking around justifying for this individual who is a grown young man. Stop. And the immaturity, this in a way, he always a behave so. He's just struggling to be famous. Emmy no they know it first. I just fame him want. He wants fame so badly. Exactly. So it's not gonna stop talking about immaturity. Immaturity. Him know him want to eat, him know him stomach a call for, and he's going to go and drive and get it. He's going to get what him want. So now stop it. Fear is fear. This is a beautiful young lady. Many times no care over our head for our body. Many times we fall short. Many times. Come on, when you move your nasty. Many times we fall short. Many times, even in church, we fall short. We get distracted. So what about you guys out there? She's a beautiful young lady who deserves way better. This is not better. Don't be afraid to call it. It's not better. This is not better. This is better. Don't be afraid to call it out. It's true. And the reason why the internet is not answer, it's because what they portray is not what is the truth. That is the truth. When you sip on the internet, Emmy, let me tell you this. I must say you alone love him because him love fame more than you. And when him get famous, him now gonna remember you. I kid you not. Yeah. I am telling you because if you find a man first love, if you're not his first love, move along. Don't follow Batman, but move around because Batman can't move around the hello. And Blue Royal is a careless girl. But then again, Blue Royal no front. Her front want a cashier for check off all of them out there. Yeah. Do not. Lando is too pretty of a guy to be living like that. And that's just the truth. His living condition does not match his image. And Emmy, you need to take your relationship out of content. Don't make your relationship be any content. These are the things, these are the mistakes you always make. Everything a content. Then our boy if you take on the serious when him can get on for run joke. Yeah. You and this content. You know, there is no content creator. What woman are you? These are the questions I want to ask you. What woman are you? So when you come here try to see your face, my baby, trust and believe. You look like an asshole in Jamaica now. If nobody not tell you. You need a real man. You need a real man. You need a boy when you come here, people know say you go home, go lay down somewhere good. No Airbnb. You understand? Because you don't show the address already. So if you go in an Airbnb, you know it now go look good to nobody. You understand me? Because after you gone, the master Lando gone back to little house and the Perry. I do want to say rump and dump, you know. I do want to say so. But it's just the truth, my baby. This is what happened when you put on a life on the internet. I'm tired for tell you now. You see, when you put all on the life, and people are going to criticize on the life. We Jamaicans going to let her leave him, oh God. She needs to leave him ASAP, and it's just the truth. She needs to leave Lando ASAP. You know why? It's good for her and it's good for him. Maybe it will teach him how to take care of himself, and it will teach you about her mistake which she almost make. You never know. So it's enough for you tie people together even when you see the situations not look good. Out of pity. See, baby man, nobody hate me today, man. No, out of pity. It's just the truth. That young lady need to understand her value. She got none. She got no values. No, for true, it's true, them love struggling, man. She got no values. It's just sad to say. You're a beautiful young lady, ambitious young lady, but you've lost your value. What one love a girl? Hillary, where I say? She better depend tie off. She better take tie off. Because if him ever breed her, I don't know where it go. Because number one, I don't think him ready to be a dad either, and she not ready, look like she ready to be a mom. So she better go and eat the pill for me. It's just the truth. No disrespect, big man Lando, but let me say this to you. You can't have your woman come from so far and make she come lay down in a dump. He's not a youth like a regular boy where struggle, you know, say my build up in my ranch and it not two and the bed just a start like bed. Me respect that youth there. Me respect that youth there with the louver window and the curtain with favor strainer. I respect such a youth and him big TV and him board wall. That's the only big thing in him house. And him know say him foreign girl come down. He and just spent 2 nights in Rata Castle, number 15, and him and never finish the rest of Airbnb. Alive? Me respect that youth, but for you who is on the app making money, you have been on the app for a very long time, and you can't tell me say you don't have a dollar. You can't afford for your girlfriend. You know how cute when you look as a couple? You don't even know how cute you are trying to look cuter than she. You don't even know. You don't even know how cute you look at try to look cuter than her. You know how cute when you look as a young couple can motivate others. And for you sit down and do content every day. Eh? Your house favor Oko's dress. On a serious note, your house favor Oko's look. Me can't hide it no more, yeah man. Me think say this suckers live. And then a suckers live in at that at 4 planes for come lay down on bed without pillowcase. Eh? I can't hide it no more. I just can't hide it no more, yeah. I love cousin, but that's the truth. I love cousin true. But I can't. No, it must look like how cousin dress for true. You see how cousin carry himself sometimes, so the little youth house look. Yeah, you can do better. Even if a prank Abby don't look good, that Emily is careless to be in a prank because from Lando go visit him do content and you are come to the same content. One relationship based on content. One of the content couple. No, nobody go away yet, man. Come back. No, it's true. And yet, for a young lady like you, beautiful, Emmy, you're beautiful. Me not care nobody want to say you're a natural African princess. You're a natural woman. Protect that. Protect it. Although when it comes to our front, we don't care about our looks. It's a content ship. No, but true. You're a beautiful young lady. You deserve better, way better. You don't need to start your life like this. Let me tell you the truth, sweet girl. You see your boyfriend, you know, and you say if he did do better for himself, I would have encouraged you to the max and said, you know, see where this can go. Because of something you like to. You know? But you are a beautiful young lady. You don't need to start your life like this. A matter of fact, your family them teach you how to make yourself in a woman. Never you let a man teach you how to make yourself in a girl. And at this so you go, my baby. Don't make a man draw you back from where your mama them take you from. When Lando sit down and listen to Blue Royal, Lando don't care. Lando worse than Rosalie. Don't Rosalie have more remorse for just go to jail and come back. Lando don't care. Lando want to hear every good thing when the people are say about him. No. Him a cook little porridge gear is a content. Him a carry the porridge come gear into the bed is a content. Just because him want to be famous, him expose him living condition. You know, see it, Emmy? So let me ask you a question. You think this is love? Because you're in it, you know. But as far as me, say you and him argue about this already. This ain't love. Yeah, by any means necessary, I forget famous. By any means necessary. This ain't love, my baby. Pack up and run. Me give you permission. Me give you permission to go hit the road, Jack, and then you come back now. Yeah. Don't make no man dog ears you. You're a beautiful girl. You come from the motherland. If any farmer woman, a woman living in your womanity, a femininity, take you go on or anything at all for female. If you have an ounce of female living in you, pack up yourself and run. Pack up yourself. Discover your reach. Pack up yourself and run, Emmy. If you have any farmer, a female living in you, he's not the man for you. Remember me tell you, all when you're married 5 years after, he's not the man for you. He's a man chasing his dreams. He's not chasing you. Make that settle little. You get it? Always remember that. And not for we girl take man, we are chase them dreams and now we alone love them. We alone love them and them are chase them dreams. Yeah. He's a man chasing dreams while you are chase him. You need to stop. Yeah. He might chase him dreams. Tiki, me can't add you. Yeah. Yeah. He might chase him dreams, you know, no matter what that guy, you see, enough man have a aim in them heart, you know, and don't even have in their mind. And the whole of we as females sit down and I watch it. And I see it. Him a go like him a gunman dep on our ends. Eh? So when you're gonna make video, Emmy, and say, I'm coming from a humble beginning, why you wanna go back there first and foremost? Why? I just that more want to ask you. I understand and we video call each other. Why you coming at the mess? Is it because of body? So all you come from a humble beginning and you're a girl will step up yourself. You just not have no ambition when it comes to cocky. That's just it. Molly, what my baby? Exactly. Any Africans when know say Emmy dip on the live and come see her man and know her man, Emmy must shame. Emmy me not telling no like when you go back to Africa you have to shame. You have to shame, you have to be embarrassed. Any you have African friends who know your man and know that you're here, or even they pay your man live or watch your man content, you are gonna shame. You are gonna shame when you go back. All when time your place better than for them place. Them are gonna make you know what life your man living. It's hard back in Jamaica, man. You are going to be ashamed. And now we are gonna make you feel away now. We not remember saying now, Emmy, we can't hurt you, you know. When we can't talk and Lando feel bad that you are gonna shame when you go back. Yeah, you're gonna shame for sure. That is why I say, him never study your culture because he's busy and make content. Because if he had studied your culture, he would have tried all up your heritage. Of course, the child house look beautiful. And Jamaican is hard for Lando. That is what we are saying. Jamaican is hard for Lando. He could have done better. Happy kind of people, my love one and yes, for me I leave it. Big up on a nice, clean, stay good self, stay blessed, keep sweet, live, laugh, love, and put God before everything and everyone. Later.